Write the answer for each of the following questions. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? The horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis, right? We already know that. Now, what is the next question? What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So the answer to this question is very simple, right? It is exercise 3.2, but what we're going to discuss is how these comes about, right? How these come about, right? Easy way to remember, whenever you get a question, draw x and y. We know which one is x. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, right? Y has the line like this, so it's easy to remember. It's a vertical line. Now, how do I name it? This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. By what? By which method? By anti-clockwise, right? So we have in this, both are positive directions. So x comma y will be positive, positive. And we have negative for the x and positive for the y. So it is minus and plus. Here both are negative, minus and minus. Here the x part is, or the x coordinate will be positive, the y coordinate will be negative. So plus and minus. This is how you can easily remember which quadrant has which signs, right? So the each part of the plane formed by these are called quadrants. What are they called? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're called quadrants. It's as simple as that. So we have quadrants. And the horizontal line is what? We already wrote it here. Horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis, right? We write it as x comma y. X is what? The x coordinate. Y is what? The y coordinate. And x is what? The abscissa. And we have y is what? The ordinate. Now what is the ordinate? What is the abscissa? The abscissa is the distance from what? Distance from y-axis, okay? And ordinate is the distance from x-axis. Easy to remember, okay? So this is how you have to remember. This is the entire topic in a nutshell with one question, okay? All right, let's see the next question. See the given figure and write the coordinates. So it's easy for us. We already know. Here we have 6, 2. This D is what? 6, 2. X coordinate is 6, y coordinate is 2. Now we have minus 5 as the x, minus 5, 2. Okay, perfect. Then we have h is what? Minus 5, minus 3. What is e? E is minus 3, minus 5. Okay. Then we have 5, minus 5. Right? Now we have 2, minus 4 as g. These are your values, as simple as that, okay? You can take a pause, try it out by yourself, then only look into the answer, and that's how you plot the answer, okay? X coordinate and y coordinate.